doesn't like a good old shoot 'em up with water? I'll show you an extremely easy design for a water pistol. It's extremely small and extremely simple. What you do is you make your barrel of your water pistol, gun, cannon, thingy, like so, and then you put this out like this. Get your dispenser down here, put it in the back of the barrel, and you need to make sure you don't put TNT or anything harmful like potions or poisons. And then you go to the back. Here is your gun. You can elongate the barrel a bit more so that it looks more like a gun. It's an orange fluffy gun. I'll dig a little hole so that I can stand next to the trigger. And then what you do is you get yourself a very good trigger, a lever, like this, and you just pull the trigger, and oops, I put the trigger in the wrong block. Why is it not shooting? Put the trigger there, fire, and then yeah, your water pistol fires. It can fire not very far, and if your barrel is too long, it doesn't even come out the end, which is like the most useless water pistol ever. But it's still a water pistol, and that's what we asked for, isn't it? So, I hope you're having a fantastic time wherever you are. And if it's not too cold, you can actually use a real water pistol that isn't as rubbish as mine. Because mine is very rubbish. To get the water back in again, you just flick the lever again, and it picks up all the water. Thanks for watching.